loves, hey, it's me, your girl Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin. And if you're like me, sometimes you just don't feel like doing a nighttime routine and you just want to go to bed in your makeup. But that's a big no-no. So I'm going to give you a nighttime routine that I use, and this one is good for someone who like a premium set, or who has mature skin, or just want a high quality premium skincare routine. This is my second video, and I'm doing a flawless skin video, and I just thought I'd bring you along because I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I just wanted you all to see what I do. Now, I don't do all these steps every night, but these are some things that I do in order to get my flawless skin.
You have tuned in to the Catherine M. Gage Show, aka KGbeautywithin, author, beauty influencer, motivational speaker, and YouTube creator. And don't forget to subscribe.
So the first thing you want to do is that you want to always make sure that you're cleansing your skin. That's very important. Do not go to bed with makeup on, because it's going to make you have pores and all type skincare issues in the long run. So you may be exhausted, you may want to go to bed, and you may be looking cute, and you may want to get up and look cute the next morning, but clean that face, boo. Go in with my eye makeup remover. And this is a Mary Kay eye makeup remover, and it's all free, and I just love this stuff. Wet me a cotton ball. The first thing I start off with is getting the makeup off of my eyes. So I'll get my brows, and as you can see, it's already coming off. I'll get both of my brows, get all that off of there. And I take the other side and I just lay it flat on my eye and just wipe gently. You want to make sure that you're getting the eye makeup off, the mascara off your eyes, because you do not want to get those mites. And I take the other one and I just gently lay it on my skin. And as you can see, all of that dirt and gook is coming off. It's very gentle. I love that. I love the fact that it's oil free. And when I have makeup on, I also take my oil-free makeup remover, and I also apply this to my face to get the makeup off. Or sometimes I'll use a cleansing cloth, a Mary Kay cleansing cloth. And at nighttime, normally I use my spin brush at nighttime. If I don't use my spin brush, I call it spin brush, but it's our Panasonic brush. If I don't use the brush, then I do sometimes use my fingers, but I try very hard to not use my fingers, especially during the pandemic. So this lathered into a moisture-rich cashmere soft foam that gently sweeps away complexion dulling impurities as it leaves skin feeling completely cleansed, revitalized, and hydrated. So, and I just put my, then I just go, and this Panasonic brush stays on for 60 seconds. So you want to kind of just move kind of fast. I like to get in my T-zone and really get my nose. Not normally I get my mouth. I don't normally get my mouth, but I will be getting it with another product in a minute, but I don't normally do that. You're gonna get in your eye. And as you can see, it cuts off in 60 seconds. So this is our masking towel, but I just love this towel, so I've been really using it. I'm using it as my face towel. There's our masking towel that came with our charcoal mask. We had a limited edition on that. I do have some of those left with the charcoal. I think I have about 3 or 4 of the towels, maybe 3 towels left that goes with that charcoal mask. Oh, my face already is starting to feel so clean. Another thing I do while I'm waiting, I also go in and do a lip treatment at night. Especially if you're wearing a lot of matte lipsticks, I just put this sugary scrub on. This is our Satin Lips Shea Sugar Scrub. It just exfoliates, so it's going to remove all that dead skin. Get all that dead skin and crust off of your lips. I just leave that on while I'm doing my skincare. Also going to use our toner that we have. This is from our Botanical effects, but I like to use a toner, especially since we've been using the mask and everything. It's real good to have a toner to get that pH balance. This is a refreshing toner, so I use that at nighttime, especially around where the mask has been. It just refreshes your skin. Is that you're going to use a uplifting serum. It's and this here is like reclaiming time. So it is most precise and powerful serum ever. Helps saggy skin along the cheeks and jawline appear visibly lifted. So if you want to rewind a hand of time, then you want to use this premium set. So it's locked, so you just want to open it up, and then I just put a little bit in my hand. One thing I love about our products is that they don't take a whole lot. Don't take a whole lot at all. So then you just want to do that. You're gonna do this in an upward fashion, because you're not sagging the skin. Just love this stuff. I love this serum. And you all, if you watch me, you all know I love my vitamin C serum. But this is one of my second serums that I like. Okay, let's do a little bit more. I've been really extra dry, so I've been having to do a little bit extra. We have a night cream. This is a night cream here. It has retinol, so it fights the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles. Plus retinol is known to encourage surface cell turnover and renewal, and support natural collagen and elastin. Increases skin moisture for 12 hours. So this lasts for 12 hours. Some people used to think that you had to take the whole thing off of here in order to get your serum, but you do not have to do that. All you have to do is just, you'll see there's an indentation here, and there's a place where you can put your fingers. So you just want to press up. I just normally do about 2 pumps, and it comes out like that. I don't know if the camera is going to show it very good. And you just want to scoop that up. You want to put that on your face as well. Outward fashion. And it feels, I love this. Now something I do with mine is that I put the Mary Kay Naturally oil with my nighttime routine, and I also use the moisturizing stick. So I do this after I do my night cream. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I have had a bout with eczema and dry skin during this pandemic, and I'm having to do just a little bit of extra. So I put that all over. Now this oil can be used in your cleanser as well. If you want to put in your cleanser, you can put in your cleanser, and if you have an exfoliator, you can put it with your exfoliator, or you can make it standalone. Sometimes I switch up. And then I take my moisturizing stick, which has been a lifesaver for me. It really has. I didn't even think, when this first came out, I didn't even think I was going to use it, other than just maybe putting it on my elbows or something. But this here has been a lifesaver for me. So this is a Mary Kay Naturally moisturizing stick, and I just usually just get it all over, and especially I get it in my T-zone. But where I've been dry at the most is up in my forehead. I had broke out, and I had real flakiness, bad flakiness, and it burned so bad that I couldn't really put any products on it at first other than the Natural line. But I have been working with it, working with my skin, and it is really starting to do better. I did do a video. For eczema and dry skin too. If you want to see that video, I'm gonna put that in one of the cards. And before I do my night cream, I take my scrub off. Then I use my balm. This is our Shea Butter Balm. This helps smooth your lip after you scrub and exfoliate. You want to make sure that you re-moisten the lips. And the last step is to use the eye cream. I love that it has an applicator on it. It has a silver applicator that helps depuff the eyes. So you just want to get just a little bit. And you want to put it under both eyes. And I just kind of take it and I just press it up under there. I do it also inside my crease because I am somewhat hooded, just to help my crease out a little bit. And I put some above my brow bone. I do that for the other eye as well. Now you can take your ring finger if you want to, and just take your ring finger and dab. Just finish dabbing it up under. And that's it, y'all. That's my nighttime routine that I use, and this is the premium set that I use. This is one this is for mature skin or someone that want a high premium set. Then this is the flawless skin routine, skincare routine that you can use for that one. This is the second video of Flawless Skin series, so I will be bringing you a third video featuring another one of our skincare sets, because we do have several, and you also can customize your sets. This is with our Mary Kay products. You can customize them and mix and match because they interchange together perfectly. I love that about our products, that they do interchange very perfectly, and they can be customizable. So if you need someone to customize your set, then I am the TimeWise Repair. And this is the one we call our Super Bad All Day Long set. This is the premium set. It does retail for $205. And this set does come with a Volu-Firm foaming cleanser. It has an uplifting serum. It has a day a day cream with SPF 30, and then it has a night cream with retinol, and it also has a eye cream. This is a premium set, and this is a perfect set for someone that's looking for a skincare routine to help them get that radiant, flawless skin. If you have a mature skin or you just want an advanced premium set, this is a perfect set for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will be bringing you another video. If you have not watched the first flawless skin video, I will link that up here. I'm going to be having some fun with this and interchanging for you, so you can know how that you can get that flawless radiant skin. And now another tip is that you do want to make sure that you're getting rest, which yes, I need to get more, and also drink water, because water is good for your skin as well. And yes, I need to drink more water. So I'm not perfect, but I am trying, and I do love the sunny water. So that's what I've been drinking a whole lot of here lately, is the sunny water. But you want to make sure that you're actually also adding those two things with your skincare routine. But that is the skincare routine for tonight, and thank you for watching. You all have a wonderful night. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective, and everything do fall in place. And this is Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, your midwife dreamer and catalyst of change.